Good morning. This is Larry Edelson for my Uncommon Wisdom Daily video update for Thursday, May 28th. We're back to the markets after the long holiday weekend, Memorial Day weekend, and the markets are off to quite a bang here with a lot of action. So let me get right to it. We're seeing some interesting moves develop. Gold is pressing the resistance area at 950 to 960. If it can get through that level on a closing basis, we may well see the next leg up in gold to over $1,000, probably $1,100 an ounce. Simultaneously, we're seeing lots of weakness in the U.S. dollar. The dollar can barely pick its head up. Very feeble rally attempts, while overall the dollar is sitting at a important 6-month low, and it looks to me from my chart analysis and technical analysis that the dollar is going to break that support level and soon head towards new record lows. That's an important development we all need to keep an eye on. Meanwhile, we're also seeing a continued decline in U.S. Treasury bonds. That is something I've also been forecasting, and the trend remains intact there, with the downside accelerating. The reason being, many investors around the world are now becoming very skeptical of Washington's financial position. Everyone knows the country is basically broke, and the country is going to have to issue boatloads of debt instruments and treasury bonds, and buyers are starting to go on strike there. So we are seeing rising interest rates in the long-term sector of interest rates, on the long end of the yield curve, as it's called, with U.S. Treasury bonds leading the decline in price there and rise in yield. We're also seeing a rally in oil, which is in keeping with what I've also been saying about natural resources and in keeping with gold's strength, with oil trading just over $62 a barrel now. I still firmly believe we can see $75 in the next few weeks, couple of months, in oil. And we're seeing rallies in many other natural resources, especially agricultural commodities, corn, wheat, soybeans, sugar, etc. Overall, this is great action if you've been following my suggested positions in Uncommon Wisdom Daily, and more keenly in my monthly Real Wealth Report, where I give more fine-tuned trading recommendations. I urge you all to take a look at my Uncommon Wisdom Daily that will come out this Monday, May 31st, where I have in that issue a roadmap, as I call it, for the next 6 months in some of these key markets, to give you an idea what I'm looking for, and my charts and proprietary cyclical analysis that I also show in that issue. So stay with all of my recommended and suggested positions, and till next week, this is Larry. Have a good weekend.